Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online session, Biology, Nature and Scope. We have completed the lesson. We have discussed different aspects in this lesson. So briefly, we studied about the biology in ancient India, about Jiraja, Andaja, Ubhaja, Sthavara, Jangama, like the Sushruta Samhita. Okay, and the medical sciences in ancient India, they are Sushruta, and the ophthalmic surgery, clotting of blood, Charaka Samhita, Taittiriya Upanishad, Manusmriti, and the fathers of various sciences, methodology of science, what is biology, like the different in the what is biology part, main branches of biology we have studied: taxonomy, study of classification; morphology, study of external features; anatomy, study of internal features; histology, study of tissues; cytology, study of cells; cell biology, okay, the deep study of cells; molecular biology, okay, study of nature, physiochemical organization, synthesis, working, interaction, biomolecular. Okay, all these aspects can be studied under molecular biology. Physiology, study of functional aspects; embryology, study of developmental stages; ecology, study of organisms in relation to environment; genetics, study of heredity and variations; eugenics, about the human genetics; evolution, about the origin of life; paleontology, about the study of fossils. Like this we have studied. Even the institutes of biology also we have studied. The All Indian Institute of Medical Sciences, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, Central Drug Research Institute, and International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology, National Botanical Research Institute, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, National Institute of Nutrition. So these are all we have covered. CSIR, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research at New Delhi, and the famous books and authors we have studied. Serendipity in science we have studied. Biology is the science of exceptions we have completed the last class. Science and technology, okay, and the scope of biology, how the biology helps in understanding ourselves, okay, and the biology and interrelationship of living beings. Biology and resources, biology and literature, study of nature in a rewarding experience, solving problems. Biology and medicinal aspects, solving approach of biology, ecosystems and living organisms, and biology and biotechnology. And the careers in biology we have completed yesterday: agronomy, pathology, anthropology, veterinary science, ichthyology, and fisheries or pisciculture, apiculture, poultry, food technology, forestry, horticulture, pharmacy, dairy technology, forensic science, biomedical engineering. Okay, we have completed all these things. So let us go for assessment 1 about the questions which are appeared in the previous contests, and the questions from this chapter we are going to discuss now. What are the two major branches of biology? The two major branches of biology are botany and zoology. What is botany? It is the study of plants. What is zoology? Study of animals. Taxonomy deals with disease of living organisms, gradual complexities of animals, relation between the organisms and environment, classification of organisms. So taxonomy is the classification of organisms. Next, which one is not in the pure branches of biology? Which one is not in the pure branches of biology? Ecology, genetics, agriculture, pathology. So here agriculture is not the pure branches of biology. Next, which deals with the composition of tissues? Which branch of biology deals with the composition of tissues? Cytology, histology, physiology, pathology. So here cytology means study of cells, histology means study of tissues, physiology means study of functional aspects, pathology means study of disease, isn't it? So here histology. Next, the term agronomy is used for Study of economic importance of viruses, study of economic importance of fungi, study of science of crop production, and none of these. So it is the science of crop production. Next, the branch of science which concerned with the study of disease, is called entomology, pathology, eugenics, dermatology. So here pathology is the study of diseases. Next, Theophrastus is regarded as father of embryology, father of botany, father of ecology. Okay, he is the father of botany. Next, Garrod is called father of embryology, genetics, biochemical genetics. So he is the father of biochemical genetics. National Botanical Research Institute, NBRI, National Botanical Research Institute, is situated at New Delhi, Etihad, Mumbai, Lucknow. So it is located at Lucknow. Next, the study of plants in the forest and forest products is called forestry, agroforestry, horticulture, silviculture. So here study of plants in the forest, it is called as a silviculture, because forest products is mentioned. Only about the forest means a forestry. So Central Jute Technology Research Institute, CJTR. Okay, Central Jute Technology Research Institute is situated at Kanpur, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai. It is located at Kolkata. Next, in exobiology, we study about external structure of living beings, life present on earth, life present in the other layer of the earth atmosphere, or the life found in space and on other satellites. So it is the fourth option is related. So life found in space and on other satellites. Next, branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity and variation, histology, cytology, genetics, evolution. So it is the genetics, heredity and variation. What is heredity? The transfer of characters from parents to offsprings, means children, is called genetics. It is also called inheritance. Transfer of characters from parents to children is called inheritance. The study of inheritance and variation, or heredity and variation, is called as genetics. Next, cultivation of ornamental and shrub plants. Ornamental plants. Okay, so it is arboriculture. Arboriculture is the branch of biology which deals with the cultivation of ornamental and shrub plants. Next, the branch of biology which deals with the study of identification, nomenclature and classification of organisms. Identification, nomenclature means naming, and classification of organisms is exobiology, ecobiology, taxonomy, toxicology. So here taxonomy is the study of identification, nomenclature and classification of organism. Okay, next, if a potted plant is kept near a window from where light is coming in, the tip of the plant grows towards the window, grows away from the window, grows straight up, does not grow. So it grows towards the window. Next, the study of external structure and their form is called morphology, anatomy, ecology, taxonomy. Morphology. Morpho means external. Logos means study. Morphology means the study of external characters of living organisms. Okay. Next, the study of internal structure of plant. Internal structure, like the transverse section of root, transverse section of leaf, cross section of stem. So like that, the internal structure of plant. Morphology, anatomy, ecology, taxonomy. So here morphology means external structure, study of. Anatomy means internal structures, and ecology means study of organisms relation to environment. Taxonomy means classification. Okay. So here the option B, anatomy. The study of fruit is called spermology, anthology, pedology, pomology. So here pomology. Okay. Next, the distribution of plants on the various parts of the earth. Okay. Distribution of plants on the various parts of the earth is biogeography, zoogeography, phytogeography, or geography. Geography means related to the earth. So distribution of plants on the earth, phytogeography. Next, the distribution of animals on the various parts of the earth is. So once again here, which geography? Zoogeography. Zoogeography means the distribution of animals on the earth. So continental drift theory, it is one of the theory which explains how the continents are formed, how the organisms are confined to particular regions on the earth. For example, kangaroos. Kangaroos are present only in Australia and Tasmania, but not other places. Okay, because in that particular region only they could able to survive. Their body structure, their adaptations. In the same manner, some other species, if you take a polar bear, in the polar region, Antarctica region only you will find. Okay. So certain group of plants as well as animals, they are distributed to certain places on the earth. So that study is called zoogeography and phytogeography. Next, in pedology, we study about pedology. Pedology means a study of soil. Okay, study of disease, pathology. Study of pollution, it is ecology related. Study of rocks related to some other branch. So here the soil is the pedology. Agrostology. Agrostology is the study of grass. Okay, the seed of oil, crop, grass, fruits. So agrostology deals with the study of grass. Next, mycology. Mycology is the branch of botany in which we study about mycology or mycetology. So here options given are algae, fungi, bacteria, virus. So about algae, phycology; about fungi, mycology; about bacteria, bacteriology; about virus, virology. So here the study of fungi is called mycology or mycetology. Okay. Next, paleobotany is the branch of botany in which we study about. Paleontology is the actual branch. It is divided into paleobotany and paleozoology. Paleontology means the study of fossils. So study of plant fossils is called paleobotany. So here animal fossils, plant fossils, seed of plant and flower is given. So the right option is plant fossils. Who is the famous for studying these plant fossils? Birbal Sahani, our Indian scientist only. He studied about the plant fossils. Paleontologist, he is called paleontologist. So depending upon the subject related to that person, he can be called. For example, dentist, who who deals with the about tooth and the related. Okay, cardiologist about the heart, dermatologist about the skin, ophthalmologist about the eyes, like that. The branch of biology in which we study about the relationship between living organisms and their environment. So physiology, genetics, ecology, geology, it is the ecology. Next, phycology is the branch of botany in which we study about algae, fungi, ecology, virus. We deal with the algae. Next, the science related with the study of living: physics, chemistry, botany, that one, biology and mathematics. Related with the living organisms, it is biology. What is the meaning of biology? Bios means life, logos means study. Study of living organisms or living things is called biology. The book Historia Animalium. The book Historia Animalium is written by Aristotle, Darwin, Lamarck, Theophrastus. It was written by Aristotle. Historia Animalium. The book Historia Plantarum. It was written by Aristotle, Theophrastus, Hippocrates, Darwin. So Theophrastus wrote the book Historia Plantarum. Next, the term biology is derived from the language French, Latin, Portuguese, Greek. It was derived from the Greek language, which means bios and logos, which means bios means living, logos means study. It's a Greek word. Next, who is the father of medicine? Aristotle, Theophrastus, Hippocrates, Edward Jenner. Hippocrates is considered as the father of medicine. Next, who is known as the father of zoology? Darwin, Lamarck, Aristotle, Theophrastus. So he is the Aristotle who is called the father of zoology. Okay. Next, the term biology was first coined by Aristotle, Darwin, Lamarck, Linnaeus. Jean Lamarck. The term biology was coined by Lamarck. The branch of biology that studies animals. The study of animals, zoology, botany, anatomy, physiology, it is zoology. Next, the branch of biology that studies about plants. Zoology, botany, taxonomy, genetics. So it is the botany. The branch of biology which deals with the study of plants, botany. The branch of biology that deals with the study of animals, zoology. Okay. Next, the branch of biology that studies about the cells, it is genetics, cytology, physiology, botany. It is cytology. The branch of biology that studies the cells is cytology. The branch of biology that studies how body parts functions, the functional aspects, anatomy, physiology, taxonomy, macrobiology. It is physiology. Physiology is the branch of biology that studies how body parts functions. Next, the branch of biology that studies about bacteria and viruses. Bacteria and viruses together. Microbiology, biology, anatomy, taxonomy. So it is microbiology. This microbiology itself divided into bacteriology, study of bacteria, virology, study of virus. Okay. Even phycology, study of algae, mycology, study of fungi, also sub branches of this microbiology only. Okay. Children, keep watching the videos. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.